Settle. Settle. Say it.
Hello, me Judy Ludy, and this is Puppet. Hello, Puppet.
Wait a minute, I'm Judy Ludy, and you're Puppet, and today we're making smash burgers.
Yes.
But before we begin, I must ask you, why do you have your yellow raincoat on?
Well, kitchen lady, as you may know, kitchen can often be a very dangerous place. So me wearing my yellow slicker to protect myself from the hot grease of burgers.
But somehow that makes sense.
Yep.
I can dig it.
Yep. Hey, that my line.
Well, I thought if you wanted to be me or I wanted to be you, then I should just say what you would say.
Stick to cooking.
Puppet. All right, let's start. So, as I said, today we're going to make smash burgers.
Yep.
And today we are using Snake River Farms burgers to make the burgers. The
Ooh la
smash
la.
burgers. Ooh la la. So, very simple, like 6 steps. Anybody can do it. So, let's get started.
Yep.
We've got a hot grillet or a hot skillet.
You can smell it already.
Well, it smells delicious, doesn't it? So the grease is hot. I always add a little bit of butter. And so before we begin, I put a little butter in here just to enrich the burgers. So to make the smash burger, you're going to take burger patty with whatever ground beef you want to use.
Yeah.
And then you're going to smash it. Now, I have a burger press here. And, but if you don't have a burger press, you can use, a lid.
Okay.
Saucepan, whatever you got.
Yep.
The important thing is it gets smashed. So you're going to put it in there, smash it to the best of your ability.
So you smash it right from the beginning.
You smash it right from the beginning. Now, sometimes it sticks a little, so you just use that. But you want to get it.
Technical difficulty.
You want to get it in that pan and smash it as thin as you can get it.
And this aggression.
This is aggression.
Okay.
So you're going to leave it and, just put this here.
Okay.
So it's going to cook.
Yeah.
Now, the thing is you want to get a crust on that side, so leave it alone. I know people like to play with it. They want to flip it back and forth. Just leave it.
Yeah.
This one you can see is really super thin.
Yeah.
So we're going to pretend that it's got a crust in here. You want to cook it for like 3 or 4 minutes.
Okay.
You're going to flip it over.
Okay.
Again, we're just pretending. It's got a pretty good crust on it already.
Yeah.
So
looking good.
you're going to flip it. Give it a flip.
Yeah.
See that?
Yep.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So it's going to cook on that side for another 2 or 3 minutes.
Okay.
But while you're doing that, you're going to melt the cheese because these are cheese smash burgers. Now today we've got 3 kinds of cheeses. We've got Swiss.
Yeah.
We got some Swiss cheese.
Yeah.
We've got some American sharp cheddar.
Yeah.
Now load it up with cheese because everybody likes a good smash burger that's cheesy and fatty. Oh, and we have horseradish cheddar.
Oh, horseradish cheddar.
All
That's
right,
my favorite.
horseradish cheddar.
Yes.
And some.
Who am I kidding? They're all my favorite.
You were not kidding. So you're going to put it on there when it's about ready.
Yeah.
And smash it again so that cheese gets into that burger.
Oh, really?
And just leave it.
You not see that one coming.
Leave it so it presses and the burger gets good and juicy and it absorbs all that butter and grease from the cheese.
Oh, now you're talking.
So leave it alone. Now,
Feeling the spirit of the burger.
I'm going to put this one over here because we don't need that.
Oh.
Now, while that's happening, what you're going to want to do...
Oh, this is all happening.
Oh, you know what you really should do?
What's that?
Don't forget to season it with salt and pepper.
Oh, yeah.
We've got some salt, we got some pepper. Now, the magic of television, like you always know we have, we've got one ready. We've got one ready and we're going to dress it. So, we've got we're going to get ready.
Yep.
Watch this.
Yep.
Take the bun.
Oh.
And put it in all of that grease like they do at the diner.
That's a heart stopper. In more ways than one.
But it's a delicious heart stopper.
Yep.
You are going to love it.
Yep.
So soak up all that fat and meat juice and get ready. Now we've already got one prepared, so we're gonna put this over here so it's not in our way. And see, we've got all that.
Wow. Smell like a party in here.
Right?
It's like a barbecue party.
We've got all of that grease and fat.
Yeah.
You're gonna put that burger right on there.
Load it up.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Now,
Yes.
as they do in diners.
Yes.
We're gonna leave that one over there. You've got the top of it.
Something going on.
Now,
It's like you're cooking eggs over there.
oh, puppet. We're going to dress it. Now, I made horseradish mayo,
Oh.
which is just mayonnaise and horseradish sauce. In there, it's very simple.
Even me can do that.
Mustard.
Some days.
And then, like they do in every diner,
Big tomato.
big tomato, big
Tomato.
tomato. Puppet, look what you're making me
Tomato.
do. And then,
Look at that.
look at that.
Oh.
Easier to
Oh.
slice.
Oh.
Look at this. Puppet. Delicious.
Oh.
Look at that. Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that.
That's some serious kitchen shenanigans. Wow.
Certainly is.
Wow.
And there you have it. Our version of the smash burger with 3 kinds of cheese loaded up with mayo, tomato, mustard, everything you need. You can hear we got one going on.
Me feeling smashed just looking at it.
You're going to be smashed looking at it.
Yeah.
So as usual, if you want the recipes, if you've got questions, down in our comment section.
Yep. And hit subscribe button, like button, and please leave comments. Got questions? We'll answer them. Me got a lot of time on my hands actually. Go ahead.
Yes, Puppet, you do. So thank you, and we will see you next week.
Yep. Thank you all.